Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create a form in HTML. Now let's open a compiler, and after that here we can create a new file. Just you can use Ctrl+N to create a new file. After that here we can save this file, and now we can give a name. After that add .html to create a new HTML file. Now here we can add some HTML basic code. Press enter. So now here you can see we got this code. After that here we can add a title, create a form in HTML. Now here we can add form tag, and in the end we can close this tag. In the form, now here we can add table tag and close this tag here. In the table now we can create a new row, and after that here we can close this tag. In the table row now here we can add table description, then close this tag. Now here we can add the text, name, and after that here again we can add table description td. Now here we can close this tag and add in between input type is equal to text, and after that placeholder is equal to name is equal to name. Now close this tag, and after that now let's copy this row, and here we can add this row. Now here we can add email, then type is equal to email, and also here we can add in the placeholder email. Alright, after that now we want to select gender option. Now let's add one more row, and after that here we can close this. So now in the table description, now here we can add td gender, and after that now again we can use td for the table description, and now here we can add input type is equal to gender, placeholder is equal to gender. So now here we can use the type radio for the gender, name is equal to male, and here we can close this tag and add male. After that now we can copy, so just copy the input type, and after that paste here for the female. After that, now we can create a new row, then close it. Now add here input type is equal to password, placeholder is equal to password, value is equal to password. So now let's close this tag, and after that now create a new row, then here we can add input type, submit, value is equal to submit. So let's close this tag. Now let's save it, and after that now let's open this file in the browser. So now you can see we have created a form. So for the password we need to add one more TD, this one here, and after that now here we can add TD, then we can close this tag at this point. Now let's save, and after that refresh the page, and for the submit we also need TD, then close it. So let's refresh the page. Now here you can see TD, that is the tag for the table description. So we are creating form in the table, and that's why we need to use TD tag for every step and every HTML tag.